Here they are eating some food. Minnie isn't too interested, and neither is Ralph at the moment. Got bigger and better things to do. Mickey. Look like some food on your face. Yes, I see it. What you doing, huh? Is that good? Still work? Eat a bite, Ralph. Go get a bite. Is it yummy? What? Huh? Get in there, Minnie. What you doing, buddy? Huh? You want some loves? You want some loves? Here, get back in there. Go in your box. Go potty in your box. Get in there, Stuart, and go potty. Good boy. That's a good boy. Go potty in your box. That's a good boy. Yes. Good boy. Put some food on your nose. What's the food? What food on your nose? That's a good boy. You're a smart little guy. Over here. Oh, come here. Go potty in the box. Go potty in your box. Come on, Five-O. Go potty. Look what's on your face. Yes, what's a messy face too. Yes, messy paws. What's food on your paws? Silly boy. Hey, Minnie. You decided to get in yet? Come here. You tasted it? Here, taste a little bit. Want to taste it? Oh, look, now that you taste it, somebody likes it. Oh, what are you doing? That's the way to eat it too. Yeah, that's one way to do it there. That's one way to do it. What you doing, huh? That's better than you thought it was going to be, isn't it, Minnie? Huh? Eating it upside down pretty much, huh? You got some on your head. Yeah, what's on your face? Yeah. I think your mama wants in here so she can eat your food. Yeah, she's one in here. Yeah, what are you doing? Ralph, show them how you do the slide. Show them your slide, Ralph. Come here. Want to show them? Oh, you gonna get up there? Show them the slide. Come here. Ralph likes the slide. He likes to hop up there. Come on. Are you gonna come down? Come on. Ralph. Come on. Come on. You gonna come down? Come on. Come on. Well, you gotta come down. Come on. Come on. Nope. You fall, Perla? Perla's getting in there too. Oh, somebody's trying to clean out the can. Trying to clean out the can? Huh? Let me get you down. Come on, you silly boy. Oh, you don't want me to get you down? Well, come on. Get down. Come on. Come on. Oh, you give me five. Yes, give me five. Get up there with him, five. That's a dirty face, too. Your mama wants him here. Yes, she does. You want to get something to drink, Minnie? Oh. No, go potty in your box, buddy. Come here. Oh, yes, you know what I'm doing. Get in your box and go potty. Go potty.